Funny mistakes in shadowing and how to fix them. Hello, learners! Today we end our series with something fun, shadowing mistakes.
Oh no, I've made a few myself. Like once, I shadowed too fast and sounded like a robot.
That's common. First mistake, speaking too fast. Tip, focus on clarity, not speed.
Second mistake, no listening time. Some people start speaking immediately, but forget to understand first.
Third mistake, no feeling. Copying words without emotion makes it sound flat. Add tone.
Let's learn 3 key phrases. Slow down means reduce your speed.
Listen first means pay attention before you speak.
Add feeling means show emotion in your voice.
Let's test it. Try saying, "I'm happy today," with real emotion.
I'm happy today.
Perfect. Today we learned to slow down, listen first, and add feeling. Thanks for joining our Shadowing English series. Remember, small, consistent steps make a fluent speaker.
Like, subscribe, and share this series with your English learning friends.
Finally, what's your biggest takeaway from shadowing practice? Write it in the comments below. Bye!